Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about the poem Sham of Life, but today let us discuss one chapter from grammar. There is a chapter, the conditional. The name of the chapter is the conditional. Conditional means conditional clause. Primarily, there are two clauses, main clause or principal clause, and the other is the subordinate clause. But we have the conditional clause. Condition means where there is an if, means condition. Let us come to the topic directly. There are four formulas in our conditional. Formula number 1, open condition. Open condition. What is open condition? Let us come to the book. This is found in Invitation to English 4, chapter probably 2, the conditional. Open condition. If you work hard, you will get good marks. This is a sentence. This is the main clause. This is the main clause. This is the if clause, because there is an if. Means if I say in Oriya, ତମେ ଯଦି ହାର୍ଡୱାର୍କ କରିବ ଭଲ ମାର୍କ ପାଇବ. If I say if you will work hard, you will get good marks, it will be grammatically wrong. No, will is not used when there is an if clause. It is a sentence. Here is a combination of two sentences, two small sentences. Here is a main clause, here is a subordinate clause or if clause. If it is a compound sentence, if there are two actions, if both actions refer to future time, in both the sides you cannot use simple future, will and will. Both the sides you cannot use. You can use in one side only, and you cannot use will in the if clause side. Where there is an if, you must not use will. If you use will, it will be wrong. So the answer will be, if you work hard, you will get good marks. The formula is E plus subject plus V1, and that side subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus dot dot dot. This is the formula 1. This is the open condition, probable condition. If you understand the formula, you can do any questions come in this chapter. So this is the open condition, probable condition. There is a probability, there is every probability that if you will work hard, you will get good marks. But you are not allowed to write will in both the sides. You can use will in one side, that is in the main clause. You are not allowed to write will in the if clause. This is the formula. This is the condition here. We have to obey the rules. This is the first formula, open condition or probable condition. In this condition, there are some more examples. Let me say, you must have heard many superstitions. In Odisha, in our state, there are many superstitions. We people are very superstitious in nature. Whatever sentence you say in superstition, the sentences will be like this. For example, let me give 2-3 examples. If you will hear an owl hooting at night, your friend will die. कहते नहीं ओडिया रे तमे जदि पेचा कुंथेबार सुनिबो पेचा बोबेबार सुनिबो तम सांग मरजिबो. What will be the answer? If you will hear an owl hooting at night, if you will hear an owl hooting at night, a friend will die. Can you say where is the wrong? There is a wrong. Can you say? You just imagine. You just think about where is the wrong. There may be a wrong. There may be a wrong. Which one is wrong? This one is wrong. As the formula said, will is not used in the if clause sentence. So it will be omitted. If you hear an owl hooting at night, a friend will die. This is used. But will is not permitted here. So many examples are there so far as superstitions are concerned. If somebody calls you from your back, your journey will not be successful. One more example, let me say, if a crow caws in the morning, कहंतनी काउरा बिले कुणिया आसिबो. If you see or if a crow caws in the morning, a guest will come. So you have to write minimum 5 sentences. Considering this open condition, you can write 5 sentences justifying all the superstitions available with us. Let me write 1 or 2. If your left eye begins to jump, if your left eye begins to jump, a guest will come. A guest will come. Yes, formula is put here. If plus subject plus V1 in the if clause side, and in the main clause side, subject plus will or shall. Another example let us take. If you see an empty pot, your journey will not be successful. Your journey will not be successful. So formula is also put here. If you see V1 will or shall. formula is put here. So you have to write 5 sentences like this. 5 superstitions, 5 common superstitions that is available in our surrounding. All the common superstitions are based on first formula, that is called open condition or probable condition. Here activities are given. You must work out the activities. Open the book, page 117, book 4, the conditionals. Activity 1. Let me say the answers. You see the questions and try yourself. If we finish early today, जदि आमे आज जदि जल्दी काम सार दबा, जल्दी बाहर को जीवा, जल्दी घर को जीवा. So what will be the answer? If we finish early today, we will go home earlier. We will go to market earlier. First formula, same formula, which is already given earlier. If I lose all my money, जदि मु मोर समस्त टंका हरई दिए, I will lend from my friends. I will borrow from my friends. If I lose all my money, I will borrow money from my friends. If you go away on a holiday this summer, I will go with you. I will accompany you. ମୁଁ ତମ ସାଥିରେ ଯିବି, ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ସଙ୍ଗ ଦେବି, ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯିବି. If our friend gets into trouble, ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଯଦି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ରେ ପଡ଼େ, ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ପଡ଼େ, ଆମେ ତାକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବା. We will help them. Will you help me? Structure is changed here. Will you help me? ତମେ ମୋତେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବ କି? ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ପଡ଼ିଯାଏ, if I am in trouble, if I face some troubles, will you help me? Likewise, you can do all the exercise, all the activities. We will be very happy. हमें बहुत खुशी होगा. We will be very happy. This side. We will be very happy. Clause is given for us. Clause is left for us. We will be very happy if the result of our college tops the list in Berhampur. We will be very happy if all of our friends pass with good marks, good division. So you can tally all the sentences. They will not listen to anybody. This side, right side. They will not listen to anybody if is given to us. If their demands are not fulfilled, जदि सेमानकर डिमांड्स फुलफिल न हुए, सेमाने खुशी हेबेनी, सेमाने सुनिबेनी. They will not listen to anybody. If the authority does not fulfill their demands, in this way we can write. Yes, what I was talking about. There are two examples given based on the first formula, the open condition. If you hear an owl hooting at night, a friend will die. You mark the sentence. If plus subject you plus here verb 1 in the if clause side and in the right side, in the main clause side, a friend will die. Subject, a friend plus will or shall, will is preferred here, and the V1, die. If your left hand begins to itch, another sentence of common superstition. If your left hand begins to itch, you will give money away. तमर बा हाथ जदि कुंडई लगिवो तम हाथ रु पैसा पळेबो. Your left hand begins to itch कुंडई हवा. जदि तमर left hand कुंडई लगिवो, if your left hand begins to itch, you will give money away. Tally the sentence. if your left hand, if your left hand begins to itch, it is justifying. You will give money away. You, subject, will give money away. The first formula. So there are 5 sentences given for you. Write them. Try to write them following the same formula. Following the same formula. Then comes activity 3. Fill in the blank spaces to make meaningful conditions. Make sentences out of your own. Again the same formula. Again this activity 3 is based on first formula, open condition. If I work hard, I will get good marks. See the books. If I dash good marks, if I get good marks, I dash to go to a good college. I will go to a good college. And dash a degree and will get a degree. If I dash go abroad, if is given, subject is given, verb is given, nothing is left for us, so we need not write anything there. If I go abroad, I dash a highly paid job. I dash a highly paid job. I will get a highly paid job. If I dash name, fame and money, if I earn, if I get, whatever you can write, provided it should be B1. If I get, that's according to the formula. If I get name, fame and money, I just marry a pretty girl. I will marry a pretty girl. The second one, will or shall. If side, B1. If dash only 1 or 2 children, here the subject is missing. If I have only 1 or 2 children, I dash educate them properly. I will educate them properly. If dash come back to my country, here also the subject is missing. If I come back to my country, comma, I dash some useful work. I'll do some useful work. So this is the activity 3. Did you follow my point? I am repeating the answers once again. See, if I work hard, I will get good marks. If I get good marks, I will go to a good college. And again will get a degree. If I go abroad, no answer is given, no answer is required here because it is already full-fledged. If I go abroad, I will get a highly paid job. If I earn name, fame and money, I will marry a pretty girl. If I have, but if I give birth, you can write. If I give birth 1 or 2 children, comma, I will educate them properly. If I, subject is missing. If I come back to my country, I will do some useful work. This is all about the first formula, or this is called open condition or probable condition, which is open to all. If you do it, it will happen. If you give me a chocolate, I will give you a thanks. So common, so commonly used. Did you remember the formula? If plus subject plus B1 in the if clause, and in the main clause, in the principal clause, subject plus will or shall plus B1 plus other words. This is the first formula, open condition. Secondly, we will go to unreal condition. Unreal condition, which is not real, which is not practically possible, which is not practically feasible. Unreal, abastava sarta. What is that? Unreal. Let me give an example. Same, the sentence we took in the first formula, let us take the same sentence in the second formula. If I worked hard, you can write while listening. If I worked hard, I would get first class. If I worked hard, I would get first class. What is the formula here? So simple. If plus subject plus would or could or should plus if plus subject plus V2, if plus subject plus V2 in the left side, in the if clause side, in the main clause side, subject plus would or could plus V1 plus ... This is the second formula. First formula, subject plus V1, if plus subject plus V1 in the if clause side, in the main clause side, subject plus will or shall plus V1. But in the unreal condition, in the second formula, subject plus V2, and in that side, subject plus would or could plus V1. Epote subject plus V1, separate subject plus would or could plus V1. First formula कौन थिला? Let me write the first formula once again. Open condition. I am writing open condition formula once again. Subject plus E plus subject plus V1, subject plus will or shall plus V1. This was the first formula. You just make a comparative study. E plus subject V1, here V2. In the main clause, subject will shall, but here would could. Same V1. So simple. जदि एमती होता मुझे सेमती करता जदि मु टिके अधिक परिश्रम करता ताहले फर्स्ट क्लास पाई था. This is the unreal. We can go through the activity 4, page 118, book 4, activity 4. We can discuss in details. See the activity 4A. If I became a cloud, see the formula, if I became V2. So if I became a cloud, I would, then what will be used? V1. So I would float in the sky. If I became a cloud, I would float in the sky. If I could go back to the past, if I could, past V2, go to the past, and on the right side will be, I would join in the school again. ମୁଁ ଯଦି ମୋର ଅତୀତକୁ ଫେରି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଥରେ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ନ୍ତି, because school life is memorable. If I were a rat, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ମୂଷା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି, ଗାତରେ ରହୁଥାନ୍ତି, I would live in a hole I would live in a hole if I were a rat. Where? Where is the beaver? Beaver, past tense. Here one thing you remember, when you are talking about an unreal thing, you can use where with singular subject I. I where. Usually where is used with plural subject, that is we. But here is an exception we should remember. As we are talking about an unreal condition, an impossible condition, then only we can say I were. If I were. If I were a king, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ରଜା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି, I would make you my minister. If I were the chief minister of Odisha, I would make my state number one in our country. If I were the prime minister, if I were the president, likewise you can write number of sentences. So, if I were a tiger, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ବାଘ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି, I would live in a jungle. I would live in a jungle. Same formula. By seeing the formula you can write. This is very important for you. Always see the formula. Whenever you are solving the activities, you are working out the activities, you can see the formula. Seeing the formula you can write. If I were a tiger, I would live in the jungle. If I dash, I would write a great novel. If clause is missing, main clause is given. I would write a great novel. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ନୋଭେଲ ଲେଖିଥାନ୍ତି ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ନୋଭେଲିଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ରାଇଟର ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି. So if I became a writer, if I B2 became, or if I were also, if I were a writer, I would write a great novel. If people dash, they would die of boredom. ଲୋକମାନେ ବୋର ହେଇକିରି ମରିଯାଆନ୍ତେ ଯଦି ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର କିଛି ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନମେଣ୍ଟ ସୋର୍ସ ନଥାନ୍ତା. If people did not have any entertainment source, they would die of boredom. Or if people had no stomach, they would die of boredom. If the earth dash, no living creature would survive. If the earth had no air, no water, no living creature would survive. The earth had no air. The earth had is also B2 of have. Had is the past tense of have, so B2, same formula. Likewise you can do all these things. Activity 5. Let's see activity 5. I'll give you 2-3 examples. How would your life be different if you were? Same. Activity 5 is based on the same formula. That is the second condition, unreal condition. Let me write one or two. This is the second formula. Activity 5 is based on second formula. If I were is given. If I were, what is given? Given older. If I were older, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ବୟସ୍କ ଲୋକ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି, ବୃଦ୍ଧ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି, ବୃଦ୍ଧା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି. If I were older, what would I do then? If I were older, I would tell stories to my grandchildren. To my grandchildren. If I were older, I would tell stories to my grandchildren. Taller. Likewise, if I were taller, if I were taller, then what can I do? What would I have done? If I were taller, I would join in Indian Army. I would join in Indian Army. Likewise, you can frame sentences out of your own. If I were shorter, let me say the answers. If I were shorter, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଗେଡ଼ା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି ବାଙ୍ଗରା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି, if I were shorter, I would join in a circus party. If I were more intelligent, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ବହୁତ intelligent ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି, I would qualify for an IAS exam. If I were less intelligent, same formula, the sentences will be like this. If I were less intelligent, I would open a pan shop. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ବିଟଲ shop କରିଥାନ୍ତି. If I were more patient, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଅଧିକ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟବାନ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି, if I were more patient, I would tolerate all the problems come on my way of life. I would tolerate many problems. If I were stronger, I would join in WWE. If I were richer, I would help the poorer. I would help the poor. If I were poorer, I would take help from the richer. So just formula. You just follow the formula. Meaning is not important. Formula is important. You must follow the formula only. Then activity 6. Activity 6 is also based on the same formula. That is the second condition, unreal condition. Same formula. The formula is given once again. Write 5 sentences on things you would do if you won a lottery. ତମେ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଲଟେରୀ ଜିଣିଥାନ୍ତ କ'ଣ କରିଥାନ୍ତ? That is what he wants to ask you. If you own a lottery, if I own a lottery, activity starts like this. If I own a lottery, own, simple past, V2. I would get a lot of money. Would, again, the formula, second formula. Left side V2, right side would or could plus V1. If I own a lottery, I would get a lot of money. You have to do it. This is for yourself. Let me speak out the answer speedily, hurriedly. You just listen, then you try your best at your home. If I got a lot of money, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ବହୁତ ପଇସା ପାଇଥାନ୍ତି, I would build a palatial building in our hometown, Berhampur. ମୁଁ ଯଦି ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁରର ଗୋଟେ ବିରାଟ ବଡ଼ ପ୍ୟାଲେସିଆଲ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ବନେଇଥାନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ରାତାରାତି ବହୁତ ଫେମସ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି. If I built a palatial building in my hometown, Berhampur, I would be very popular overnight. I would be very popular overnight. ତାପରେ ଆସୁଛି, if I became very popular overnight, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ରାତାରାତି ପପୁଲାର ହେଇଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି, if I became, same formula, you just follow the same formula. All the sentences are linked with each other, interlinked with each other. The content is like this. ମୁଁ ଲଟେରୀ ଜିଣିଥିଲେ ବହୁତ ପଇସା ପାଇଥାନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ପଇସା ପାଇଥିଲେ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ଘର କରିଥାନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ବଡ଼ ଘର କରିଥିଲେ ଫେମସ୍ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି, ଫେମସ୍ ହେଇଥିଲେ ପଲିଟିକ୍ସରେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥାନ୍ତି, ପଲିଟିକ୍ସରେ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍ ହେଇଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ଚିଫ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଚିଫ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାକୁ ନମ୍ବର 1 ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ରେ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତି. This is how one context. So we have to put them in structure. We have to put them in structure. That is depending on second formula. So we can write like this. If I got a lot of money, I would build a palatial building in our hometown. If I built a palatial building in my hometown, I would be very popular overnight. If I became popular, I would contest in the election. Again, if I won in the election, if I own, W-O-N, own, if I won in the election, I would be the CM of Odisha. Then, if I became the CM of Odisha, I would make V1. I would make my state number one in India. This is how you can continue. Yes. Now, activities based on second formula, unreal condition is over. Now comes third formula. There is a third formula, that is unfulfilled condition. That is unfulfilled condition. This is called unfulfilled condition. You can write while listening. Unfulfilled condition. Unfulfilled condition. जो कंडीशन टा पूर्ण हो पाला नहीं, अपूरणीय सत्य सेम हमें जो स्ट्रक्चर नहीं थे से टाइप रे नबा. फॉर एग्जांपल मु जदि बहुत परिश्रम करथांती एग्जाम रे बहुत भलो मार्क आनी परथांती. Likewise, if I had worked hard, I would have got more marks. I would have got more marks if I had worked hard. So formula is if subject plus had plus V3 in the if clause side. In the main clause side, subject plus would or could plus would or could plus have plus V3 plus ... Other words, this is the formula 3. If plus subject plus had plus V3 in the if clause, subject plus would or could plus have plus V3 plus other words. Would or could plus have plus V3. This is called conditional perfect. This is called conditional perfect. The formula is like this. So if we follow the formula, what we can write? We should write like this. Have you written the formula? Write down the formula. If we give an example on this formula, the sentence will be like this. If let us take one more example. If you had come earlier, you would have got more points. तमे जदि आप टिके जल्दी आस्तांत और अधिक पॉइंट्स पाई पारथांत. If you had born earlier, you would have seen the world much better. If you had worked harder, you would have got more marks. Likewise, there are some examples given. Let us see. I did not like food because it was too hot. Page 119, book 4, activity 7. Activity 7A. I did not study, so I did not do well in the exam. If you had studied, you would have done better. That we already discussed. I did not like food because it was too hot. The answer will be, if the food had been cold, if the food had been cold, I would have liked it. I would have liked it. Likewise, they waited at the station for 4 hours because they did not know that the train was delayed. ସେମାନେ ଯଦି ଜାଣିଥାନ୍ତେ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଡେରି ଅଛି ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଲେଟ୍ରେ ବାହାରିଥାନ୍ତେ. If they knew the train late, they would have come late. This will be the answer. Again, I am repeating. They waited at the station for 4 hours because they did not know that the train was delayed. If they had known the train late, they would have come late. ସେମାନେ ଯଦି ଜାଣିଥାନ୍ତେ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଲେଟ୍ ଥିଲା ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ଲେଟ୍ରେ ବାହାରିଥାନ୍ତେ. Number D. They met with an accident because he was careless. The boy met with an accident because he was careless. ପିଲାଟାର ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା କାରଣ ସେ କେୟାରଲେସ୍ ଥିଲା. ପିଲାଟା ଯଦି ଟିକେ କେୟାରଫୁଲ୍ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇନଥାନ୍ତା. So what will be the answer? If the boy had been careful, he would not have met with an accident. Or if the boy had been careful, he would have avoided the accident. Next E. She heard the news because she turned on the radio this morning. She heard the news. ସେ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଶୁଣିଲା କାରଣ ସେ ସକାଳେ ରେଡ଼ିଓର ସୁଇଚ୍ଟାକୁ ମୋଡ଼ିଥିଲା. ଆମେ ଲେଖିପାରିବା ସେ ଯଦି ସକାଳ ରେଡ଼ିଓର ସୁଇଚ୍ ମୋଡ଼ି ନଥାନ୍ତା ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଶୁଣି ନଥାନ୍ତା. So the answer will be like this. If she had not turned on the radio this morning, she would not have listened to the news. They did not see us, so they could not laugh at us. ସେମାନେ ମୋତେ ଦେଖିଲେନି ତେଣୁକରି ସେମାନେ ମୋତେ ଚାହିଁକି ହସିଲେନି. ସେମାନେ ଯଦି ମୋତେ ଦେଖିଥାନ୍ତେ ପକ୍କା ହସିଥାନ୍ତେ. If they had seen us, they would have laughed at us. Same formula. Last. My father earned a lot of money, so life was easy for us. ମୋ ବାପା ବହୁତ ପଇସା ଆର୍ଜିଲେ ତେଣୁ ମୋ ଲାଇଫଟା ଭଲ ସୁରୁଖୁରୁରେ ଚାଲିଲା. କମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେଇପାରିବ ଯଦି ମୋ ବାପା ବହୁତ ପଇସା ଅର୍ଜି ନଥାନ୍ତେ ମୋ ଲାଇଫଟା ବଡ଼ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା. So the answers will be like this. If my father subject had not earned earned sufficient money, if my father had not earned sufficient money, I would have met a lot of difficulties in my life. If my father had not earned a lot of money, comma, I would have met with many problems. ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ସମସ୍ୟା face କରିଥାନ୍ତି. Yes, finished. Now activity 8. Again same formula. Again activity 8 is based on the same formula on fulfilled condition. There is a small story. Listen the story first. Read the story first. I am reading out. Namita went to Cuttack yesterday. The sun was shining brightly, so she had never thought of taking an umbrella. But what a terrible day she had. Everything that could possibly go wrong went wrong. The weather changed as the weather report had predicted. Man agur purbanuman kariba. Namita got soaked. She slept on the floor. She slept on the stairs of a shop and had a bad fall. Someone stole her purse when she was talking to a friend and had her back torn. The bus broke down on the way back and was delayed. Namita's mother got angry because she returned so late. This is an incident related to Namita. So this story को बेस करके आंसर टा लिखिए वो. Again the same formula. Formula 3 unfulfilled condition. If Namita had taken her umbrella, if clause. If Namita had taken B3 taken her umbrella dash जदि से छता नहीं था से उदा ही न था she would not have soaked she would not have soaked से वर्षा रे भिजी न था if she had listened to the weather forecast से जदि वेदर फोरकास्ट को सुनी था रेडियो रे वेदर प्रेडिक्शन को सुनी था से छता धरिक जाई था. If she had listened to the weather forecast, she would have taken her umbrella. She would have taken B3 her umbrella. If she had taken the lift in the store, lift is given. If clause is given. If she had taken lift in the store, she जदि lift रे जाई था she would not have fallen. She would not have fallen on the stair. से staircase रे पड़ी न था. If the boss had not broken down, if the boss had not broken down, जदि बॉस टा बाटर ब्रेकडाउन ही न था तार डेरी ही न था she would not have delayed or she would not have been late से लेट है न था से टाइमली पहुंच जाई था. if she had returned home on time जदि से on time घरे पहुंच जाई था ता माता पर रागी न था. her mother would not have angered with her. If she had reached home on time, her mother would not have angered with her. Yes, finished. This is all about these three formula. One, open condition. This is the formula. If plus subject plus V1 in the if clause. In the main clause, subject plus will or shall plus V1. You can write 5 examples basing on common superstitions. Second one is unreal condition or hypothetical condition or improbable condition. Anyone you can say, whatever you can say. Asambhav, Avastav. The formula is like this. If plus subject plus V2 in the if clause side. Subject plus would or could plus V1 in the main clause. Third condition is unfulfilled condition. This is the unfulfilled condition. Some formula is if plus subject plus had plus V3 in the if clause side. In the main clause side, subject plus would or could plus have plus V3 plus others. And this part, would have got, would have done, could have done. This is called conditional perfect. So these are the three formula. The one more formula is left. This is unless, use of unless. Unless is a negative formula. Unless is a negative formula. Unless means if plus not. If not. All these three formula based on if clause, positive condition, and unless is a negative condition. If not, let me give an example how. If not is replaced by unless. For example, here I can write, if you don't come, I won't help you. If you don't come, I won't help you. If you don't come, I won't help you. We got to know that if not is replaced by unless. So we can write, unless you come, not if. If utigala, not utigala, ta bodolare unless bosila. Unless you come, and the right side will be the same. I won't help you. तमें जदि बहुत परिश्रम न करिबो फर्स्ट क्लास पाइबो नाही. If you do not work hard, you will not get first class. If you do not work hard, can be replaced unless you work hard. Unless you work hard. So, unless is used in the place of if not. Unless is used in the place of if not. There is an example. Activity 9. Let us see page 121, 121, 121. Activity 9. Let me speak the answers. You should wear your coat or you will be cold. Answer will be, unless you wear your coat, you will be cold. Unless, nothing to worry. Very simple. Unless is used in the very beginning of the sentence. Unless is used in the very beginning of the sentence in the place of if and by deleting not. Unless you wear your coat, you will be cold. You must give me your address or I can't write to you. Unless you give me your address, I can't write to you. You have to speak very loudly or we won't be able to hear you. Unless you speak loudly, we won't be able to hear you. You must stop smoking or your cough won't get better. Unless you stop smoking, your cough won't get better. Unless you stop smoking, your cough won't get better. And the last one is, you must say you are sorry or he won't forgive you. You must say you are sorry. Unless you say you are sorry, he won't forgive you. तमें तंकु sorry न कहवा पर्यंत से तुमको क्षमा देवे नहीं. Unless you say you are sorry, he won't forgive you. Unless you work hard, you won't get first class. Unless you are punctual, you won't get success. Unless you are hardworking, you will not get your destination. Unless you are truthful, people will not trust you. Unless. Very simple use, very important use. So these are the four formula. In the board exams, council exams, 1 or 2 questions come in this chapter. the conditional clause. There are different types of conditional clause. But in our curriculum, our course, only these 4 formulas are there. Open condition, unreal condition, unfulfilled condition, and the use of unless. With this, I finish this class now. In the next class, we will go to another chapter from poetry. In the next class, we may discuss another poem. The name of the poem is Ballad of the Father Gilligan. Very good poem, religious poem, philosophical poem. We will discuss about that. So thank you all.